Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is January 4th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 Emini Futures, you're going to see the futures trading up by nearly 5 points. Right now, trading at 22.57 per contract. So futures catching a little bit of a bid. You can see they're fading just a touch here, but nonetheless, they are up ahead of the opening bell. Yesterday, the market did have a stage a pretty decent rally. It was a wild one, though. You did have a good swoop down around 10 o'clock in the morning, and then by the end of the day, the market did catch a bid back up. So we'll see how today plays out. Again, we do have some stocks in the news, but we don't have a whole lot of earnings out here. So let's go over them. First one we're going to take a look at today is going to be Tsla. TSLA is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 214.29, closed at 216.99. So it is down, ticking a little bit. Again, I don't see anything terrible here with Tsla, but all in all, the stock is down a little bit on some news that they are going to be missing their Q4 delivery target. So, again, we'll see how that plays out today. That will be in play. We'll keep an eye on that one. And, again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had a nice little day yesterday, and we're going to look to keep that going really throughout the rest of the month. So, again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, and you'll see what we're doing there. Let's take a look at AMGN, which is Amgn. Yesterday, stock was up decently on some news that they received a verdict upholding patents for a cholesterol drug, and you can see the stock today trading at 152, so it's even continuing to move higher. I think Amgn can go to 155. That's where I think it stalls out. So I'm going to continue to give this the upside bias to around the 155 level. I think that's where the stock runs into some headwinds. So again, nice pop here from Amgn yesterday and a little bit more upside today. I do think the stock can run up to 155. The ruling that Amgn got was against Sanofi, SNY. You see that is trading a little bit lower. Level I like for Sanofi today would be 38.50. So keep that on the radar today. If we get down to around 38.50 level, I do like Sanofi there. So got to go a lot lower. But 38.50, Sanofi would be in play if it does fall. And again, I know it looks on a 10-minute chart, it looks like a mile down, but it's really not that far. Also, Regeneron, REGN, is another name that is being hit by that Amgn news on that patent ruling. And this is trading at 370.55. This closed at 379.70. So again, I'm not sure I love any levels right now on Regeneron, but if it gets down to 347.50, I like that level there. So keep that on the radar today. Again, Regeneron down at 347.50 could be a play. All right, let's take a look at the automakers. Looks like they're going to all come out with numbers today. Looks like auto and truck sales data will be released today, really throughout the entire session. So General Motors will be in play today. That was also in play yesterday with a Trump tweet. Today the stock is trading at 35.28, closed at 35.15, so it's up already. We'll see how it plays out. I don't see a whole lot of upside here for GM though, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see what kind of pattern is formed. Things could change there. Next up we have Ford Motor, and what you're going to notice here, this is trading at $12.70, closed at $12.59 yesterday. Again, I don't see a whole lot of upside here either, but, make a move back to 13.30, 13.40, I guess couldn't be ruled out, but we'll see how these patterns form once the opening bell rings. Remember, auto and truck sales data will be released today. We don't really care about the numbers. What we care about is what kind of chart pattern is made and can we make money on a long or short play. That's really about it. So, again, we'll keep that on the radar today. IDXX, which is being added to the S&P 500. This stock right now trading at 118.30, closed at 117.60. So this is upticking a little bit. Nothing I would do with it at the moment, but this is something that we would probably look at once the opening bell rings today. So keep this one on the radar as well. And just looking over at a few other moves here, I am seeing STZ moving higher after an upgrade. This is Constellation Brands. So this is a nice little pop here. Stock closed at 154.75. Now trading at 159.09. I'm seeing headwinds here around, I'm going to say the 160 level. So again, this gets to 160, 161. Constellation Brands hits a little bit of a wall. So if you do own it and you're holding it into this upgrade, again, you're going to hit a wall of resistance around the 161 level. Last but not least, we are looking at Credit Suisse, ticker symbol CS. This is trading at 1582, closed at 1526. I have upside resistance around 1675, 1670. So again, this does have potentially a little bit more upside to go. If you own Credit Suisse, I would trail the stop loss now as you get closer to that big resistance number. All right, let's turn our attention to the gold market. Gold up 2.5 points, no big deal there. Gold had a decent day yesterday. If you take a look at the GLD today, it's trading at 110.90. Did trade up briefly around 111.20. Closed at 110.47. So got a nice little uptick there. Gold, spot gold is up $2.5 to around roughly 11.64, 11.65 an ounce. We do have crude oil up 17 cents to $52.50 a barrel. Again, crude was hit yesterday pretty sharply, gapped up and then reversed, and that was a good reversal yesterday. So crude could actually still come under some pressure today, so be a little bit aware. Crude really had a big sell-off yesterday, and we'll see how that plays out today. The U.S. dollar, I know not many people are talking about it, but it really should be the talk of the town. This is actually trading a little bit lower today. So again, we'll keep that on the radar. And right now I'm showing the dollar at 102.89, all in all down about 30 cents. So the dollar retreating, that usually is beneficial for gold, and we'll see how that plays out if it does fall further today. All right, with that being said, again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. A lot going on here, a lot of things happening at the start of the new year. And again, we're here, so come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You get to see our desktops live, see everything that we're doing. And again, you can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.